morning. For those of you who don't know, my name is Maya Karen. I run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style, and now natural hair care. So if you are into any of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click the notification bell. That way you will never miss a video. So today we are going to be styling some fall outfits, and I do want to introduce a new shoe brand to you. So let's go ahead and get started. So whenever I'm looking for a pair of shoes, I just want to make sure that it is covering the 4 C's: cute, comfy, classic, and chic. And this brand, Vivaia, is exactly that. I love this brand because they are sustainable. Each pair of shoes is made from 6 plastic bottles from city waste and from the ocean. They are machine washable and they are so comfy. And I will show you what I mean in a second. But I really love the brand, or I really love the shoes and the silhouettes and the style of the shoes because they fit seamlessly into my wardrobe, okay? And I will show you exactly what I mean. I did get 2 pairs of shoes and I will show you each, and then I will style it 3 ways for each pair of shoe. Okay, so the first pair that I want to introduce to you is this right here, and I do want to point out that all of their packaging and their materials, again, are recyclable, okay? And I do have a code for you guys. I will put it right here. It is Maya10, so you can get 10% off of your purchase, okay? And then right here, it's just reminding you that their materials are recycled. And then right here, it explains, like I said, each shoe is made out of 6 bottles, okay? And then, of course, they have their logo. Then they have a care card. And then the shoe that I got are so adorable. So they look like this. I did get a size 6. I love the color. I love the toe. And then of course, I love the little kitten heel. It's a block heel, so it will be very comfortable. But earlier what I was talking about, what I'll show you, I got a size 6 in the comfort. You see this right here? And then you can see how padded it is. These shoes are so comfortable. And then also to make sure you have extra comfort, if you can see right here, they also have some cushion for the back so your heel, the back of your foot won't rub as well, okay? But yes, these shoes are absolutely gorgeous and I love them. They are so comfy. So let's go ahead and style these.
So I would say that these are definitely the dressier pair of shoes of the 2. I absolutely love these shoes. They are so comfortable. Every single time you take a step, you can feel the cushion at the bottom of your shoe. But I love this look. It is a very classic look with very classic silhouettes, and then the shoes tie everything in together. The shoes also break up this all black look. Now let's add some color. Because both of the colors in the shoe, black and like a light beige, are neutrals, you'll be able to add just about any color to it. Now you will see that I kept it very streamlined and tied everything together with the black skirt and the black pant. And then you will see that my earrings match my sweater. And then if it's a little chilly, we can add a coat. I absolutely love this look because even though we do have this gorgeous blue color, when you have the black skirt and then you have the black tip of the toe and then the edges are black, it ties everything together. And you have a classic look with a classic shoe. And lastly, I paired these shoes with a dress. You will notice that my earrings and my dress are black, and then to break up the look so it wasn't a lot of black, I actually chose a purse that matches the beige in the shoes, and it ties everything together. Because if I was to have a black purse and then just the shoes that were tan and black, it would be a lot of black. But having the contrast with the dress and the shoes ties everything together.
Okay, and the next shoe came in the exact same box. Remember, it is all recyclable. Like this. Now, I had actually been looking for a pair of like tan/beige flats, and I found them in these. These shoes are very classic, but I bought them because I love the texture. So it is these right here, and I will get closer so you can actually see what I'm talking about. This is the logo right here, but I bought these because of the texture. I did get a size 6, and the color is absolutely gorgeous, and these will fit seamlessly into my closet. But yes, I love these, and then again, you have the padding, and then so you have the extra comfort for the rubbing of the back to make sure that the back of your heel does not rub. But I love these. And then this is what it looks like on the side. bottom. And these are so comfy as well, okay? So I do have 3 outfits to show you with these, so let's go ahead and get started.
So this first outfit is a go-to for me whenever it comes to fall or winter. I love the look of a turtleneck and a pencil skirt. It is just so classic, so chic. And then let's say, for instance, you don't want to wear heels. This is a great alternative. And then you do have a pair of pearl earrings, and then you do have a crossbody or a shoulder bag, and everything ties in so seamlessly. As I said before, I love these 2 pair of shoes because they work into my closet, and there are several outfits that I can wear them with. This next look is also classic. I love this because we have a couple of different textures, starting with the shoes as I have showed you guys before, and then the sweater, even though it is wool, it does have a little bit of texture with it. And then you do have a top handle bag, and then you do have some statement earrings. Y'all know I love statement earrings. And then of course, when it gets cold, you can add a coat. Now you can see that the coat matches the skirt, and then the sweater, and then the shoes, and then the purse match together, and then the earrings tie everything together. The earrings have green, pink, and yellow in them. But I love this look because it's classic, and as I keep saying, you guys, these shoes are so, so, so comfortable. And then the pointy toe elongates your legs. This last look I absolutely love. It gives a little bit of sexy, but it also gives classic and chic at the same time. I love this top because of the draping. You guys can see that I do have on a pair of statement earrings, and then I do have on just a classic sweater pencil skirt. And then of course we're going to incorporate the shoes. This is also a look that you could wear with heels, but let's say maybe you're going to brunch, or let's say you're going out on the town and you don't want to wear heels, but you still want to look fancy, you still want to look dressed up. This shoe does just that. And as you guys keep hearing me say, these shoes are so, so, so comfortable. I just want to remind you of my code, Maya10, and I will see y'all later. Bye.